Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to do science experiment, that is volcanic eruption. Okay, so what we need for this experiment, let me show you one by one. First of all, we need a volcanic model. So I have a model ready. So I have used a glass bottle and a papers and a spray paint to make this model. Okay, you can make as how you like. Okay, similarly, the second thing, the ingredients we need for this experiment are baking soda. You can see here baking soda. And the next thing is vinegar. So I have used vinegar, and to make it more special or to make it look like magma, I have used food color and vinegar. I have mixed food color and vinegar here. You can see it. I made it red already, so that when there is the explosion you will see lava coming out. Okay, so first of all I am going to put some baking soda in this model, in the mouth of the volcano. Okay, so I have some baking soda here. I am using small spoon because the mouth of the volcano is very small, so I am using small spoon to put the baking soda inside it. So I hope you are observing what I am doing. This is baking soda. The next thing is we have, okay, everything is ready now. I have vinegar and I have used food color already and I made it red. So I'm going to show you the explosion. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, let's see. Can you see here? It's coming like exactly like a volcanic eruption, how the eruption takes place in the volcano. So I have more, so let me show you all. So this is the experiment, science experiment based on volcanic eruption. So you can try